In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the official Google Business verification video. I'm excited to show you guys this. Let's get into it. What the email is gonna look like is right here. It says brand rep invited you to own your business. In this case, it's Martin's Master Flooring. It's going to look like it's gonna come from Google. The main text is gonna say, you received an invitation from brand rep. So then go ahead and click accept. So after that, you're gonna hit accept again to become an owner of your business. And then you'll get redirected to a Google page where you scroll down. Then where it says get verified right there, go ahead and click get verified. Alright, so after you click verified, Google needs to verify that you manage this business by having you do the business video. And basically it's saying that a Google operator will review your video and verify your business's details. So you'll need your mobile device, your camera. If you're doing this on a desktop, get that ready. And this video won't be added to your business profile, so that's one thing to note. Alright, so next you're going to record the business's details, and you're going to capture all three requirements in one continuous recording. So this is not a start, stop, start, stop. We're going to do all three requirements in one continuous recording. And those requirements are this. Number one, your location should match your business profile address. So example, any street signages, any nearby businesses. So we want to get that location really dialed in. So if you don't have a location though, because you are a home-based business, then it's going to be really important to accomplish the other two requirements very clearly. Alright? Number two, your business's name and category should match your business profile. So as an example, any kind of business exterior or interior shots, products, or equipment. And last but not least, you're authorized to represent the business, meaning unlocking your store entrance, operating payment tool, or proof of address. Alright, moving on. Alright, so after you hit next, it's going to take you to this page, tips for getting started. Number one, plan ahead. Make sure, like I said, you're going to capture all three requirements in one continuous recording. So it's not a start, stop, start, stop. Take your time. This is not something you have to rush. Most successful videos are 1 to 2 minutes long, but longer than 5 minutes won't be accepted. So just do a rehearsal, get those shots in order. Start outside. Capture your business surroundings first before moving inside. So again, capture that signage and any nearby businesses just to prove that the address is the same. And last but not least, it's important that you're not capturing any faces or sensitive documents. That being said, let's move on to the next step. Next, you're going to be taken to this screen. It says complete the verification on your mobile device. Scan the QR code and open the link on your mobile device to complete the video verification. Make sure you're signed in as your email to continue. And scan the code. Alright, then when you tap that QR code, you're going to redirect it to a page that looks like this. And you guys already know all the stuff we went over earlier. So just go ahead and click next. You're going to get redirected to a page that looks like this, the tips for getting started. And again, we've already been over this. So after this, you click next again. And this one, it's going to ask to give access to your microphone. You click yes and hit next. And now you are in your phone and it's telling you again, reminding you what to capture in all one shot. And that's it, guys. After you do that, you upload it and then you are completely done. Okay guys, for whatever reason you don't finish the recording and something comes up for whatever reason, Google's going to send you a follow-up email saying you are now an owner of this, to kind of finish what you started. So when you click the email, go ahead and click view profile. After you click view profile, you're going to get redirected to your listing and you have to scroll down. It says your business is not visible to customers yet, so click get verified. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Click continue. It's going to give you the tips on what to look out for, do this, do that, do this, review it again, and then click next. After you click next, same thing, it's going to give you the tips for shooting the business. After you review the tips one more time, go ahead and click next, allow that access by clicking next and saying allow, and now you're ready to really do the video again, and it's going to give you the instructions one last time of what to do. Now that you know how to make the Google Business verification video, it's important to know that
you guys now are a filmmaker. You actually know how to film with your phone. Take advantage of that skill set, because now Google Business allows you to post your commercials, post tours of your actual establishment on your Google Business profile, which is going to give you a much bigger upper hand standing out from your competition. So take advantage of that feature. It's really cool, and I want you guys to continue making video. All right, good luck.